How to turn off automatic captions on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to disable automatic subtitles or captions on YouTube. So you may notice that automatic captions are on for every YouTube video you watch, and you might not want them. So to turn off, follow the steps. First of all, go to the youtube.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and go to settings. In the settings menu, look at the options on the left side and then click on playback and performance. Locate subtitles and closed captions section. Disable the option that says always show captions. Additionally, make sure that the box where include auto-generated captions is also unchecked. Once I've made these changes, they will be saved automatically. And you can now return to the YouTube by clicking on the YouTube logo in the top left corner. And if you want to turn off subtitles for individual videos, you can do that as well. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.